for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.